LLMs are evolving at an incredible pace. Every week, a new LLM is being released, each promising better efficiency, accuracy, or specialization. Last week, DeepSeek R1 took the world by storm. For organizations, this raises three key challenges. One, privacy and security. You need full control over your models and data. With TrueFoundry, no data ever leaves your VPC. Requests, responses, and model access all remain within your own infrastructure. Second, keeping pace with new models. The AI landscape is moving fast. You need a flexible platform that allows you to deploy any model instantly from Hugging Face or your own registry without any code changes, along with production rate settings. 3. Unified governed inference. AI should not be deployed in silos. TrueFoundry provides a centralized LLM gateway that enables secure, monitored, and governed inferencing across your organization. Let's walk through how TrueFoundry solves these challenges. Deploying an LLM on TrueFoundry is as simple as entering a Hugging Face model URL. Here we are deploying DeepSeek R1 Distill Llama 8P. For the purpose of the demo, I've picked a smaller model, but this could be any model, including Llama, Mistral, and so on. No complex scripts, no manual setup. Just click on Next. TrueFoundry automatically suggests optimal hardware configurations. Here we choose between A100 or T4 GPUs. So I'm going to select A100. Click on Continue. Give a name for your deployment. All configurations come pre-filled with optimal resource settings and production grade defaults. The best resource allocation is auto-selected, including model caching. You can also enable auto-scaling if you want your replicas to scale according to the demand, or you can also enable auto shutdown for dev workloads to save costs on idle workloads. The rolling updates enable seamless model upgrades without any downtime. Just click on submit and it will start your deployment. This might take a few minutes, so I already have a deployment running. This is how your deployment will look. You can access the endpoint from here and start interacting with your model. You'll have all your logs, metrics, and events displayed here. You can also add your model to the TrueFoundry LLM gateway. LLM gateway provides a centralized way to interact with all the LLMs across your org. You can have your self-hosted as well as commercial LLMs like ChatGPT here. With the LLM, you can track your request responses, your metrics, and even configure advanced configurations such as rate limiting, fallback, and load balancing. The LLM gateway gives you a unified access across all the models in your organization. LLMs are evolving fast, but your organization needs a structured, secure, and efficient way to deploy and manage them. With TrueFoundry, you can deploy any model with optimized infrastructure, ensure governance in privacy, and scale effortlessly all within your own cloud. To get started, book a demo at www.truefoundry.com.